Please revise class notes. Continue. Good morning to everyone. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, okay. Just I'm removing all the slides. Please our class notes now. What's the last class I thought? What we discuss concept? Name, can I get name? Okay, the complete relation between molarity and mole fraction, is it correct? Fine. Which is already start now. Now are you getting my voice? Is it clear? Now we can do one question. Please note down. 8 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 18 grams of H2O. (18 grams of H2O). Calculate molality and mole fraction. Calculate small m and capital X. This is 2090 JEE main, sir. Still now we thought that is correct or wrong. We are checking, just that's enough. We are able to solve this question means we done everything is correct. If we are not able to do means then we have to rethink about that. If you completed, please do that one. Let me know the answer if completed. Very good, sir. Girish Khanna. Good, good. Very good. He given molality answer, sir. Next, mole fraction. Yes, molality. We got answers. Very good, sir. Yeah, mole fraction also they given someone. Good, good. So we are going right track only. Okay, we got two fast mains. We are doing very well. Yes, yes, I am going to see your screen also. Someone they are showing answers through paper. Jitesh, good. Fine. Array, molality. Small m means molality, not molarity, sir. Please find. Answer is 11.11 is correct. I'm asking small m. Small m means given mass by gram molecular mass into 1000 by W weight of solvent. Clear? So here 8 by 40 into 1000 by 80 gram 18 solvent. Is it correct? Now you may can do answer. Clear? So this is 11.1111 they are giving mole per kg. Mole fraction 0.16. Yes, you can use a 0.167 or 0.166. 167 or 166. 167. Okay, fine. Right. So I think so. You know mole fraction how to calculate. So fraction equal to N NaOH plus NH2. Then write here 8 by 40 plus 18 grams. No, this is 18 by 18. So you'll get here, that's your answer, 0.167. Are you got answer, everyone? Any difficulty this is? This is the 2019 JEE question, recent questions. Very easy questions you will get, sir. If you done my notes very well by understanding, enough. You can do, most of the people will get maximum correct answers, sir. I think so you got this one. Shall we move next concept? Fine. Before to discuss normality, is there one normality concept? Before to discuss normality, we need to discuss remaining things also. Let me see that one. So what we covered here, mole fraction also we covered. Mole fraction also mass dependent, sorry, temperature independent. Things we done, molarity, we made an W by W percent, V by V percent, W by V percent, strength of solution. Yes, these are we covered. Fine. Okay, let be complete by molarity completely, then we can do. Wait, give me 1 minute time. What we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss molarity remaining thing later. We'll continue another concept. We'll discuss the later molarity and everything. So now we are going to be continuing by just introduction and further by oxidation number I am going to be calculate. Right, redox reaction. Just definition I am giving, sir. Means meaning. Right. Right. When oxidation reduction occurs simultaneously, when oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously in the reaction is called redox reaction. When oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously in the reaction is called redox reaction. Now we can see, these are classical example. What is oxidation? What is reduction? You can find out. Zinc plus Cu2 plus Zn2 plus Cu. Which is oxidation, which is reduction, sir? Right, to understand normality, that is the reason we are discussing all these things. Okay. Once we completed briefly all these things, we'll come back our normality. Are you getting my point? Fine. So zinc lost electrons, sir. They lost electrons, zinc. So this loss of electrons we called oxidation. Copper gaining of electrons, sir. We call reduction. Any doubt here? See, whenever they lost electrons, Zn2 plus 2 electrons. This is we called oxidation. At 10th standard, you know definitions very well. Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives rise. Cu, this is reduction. The combinations are net reaction I am writing. If you are adding any reaction, opposite if any same number is there, that going to be cancelled, sir. This is left side of the reactant, this is the right side of the reactant electrons. So these two going to be cancel each other. Same number, even that two. So remaining is Zn plus Cu2 plus gives rise Zn2 plus Cu. This is the net reaction we called. We call this is net reaction. Understood? Any doubt here still now? Let me know if you have any doubt. Fine. You can move next. I'm asking one more point here. Please let me know. Zinc oxidation occur because of whom this oxidation occurs? Cu2 plus. Is it correct? Because of Cu2 plus only zinc lose electrons. Is it correct? Because of Cu2 plus zinc lose electrons. Because of zinc copper gaining electrons that convert into Cu. Is it correct? Because of zinc copper gaining of electrons Cu2 plus gaining of electron occurs and that convert into Cu. So because of zinc copper gaining of electrons or because of zinc only copper Cu2 plus reduction takes place. That's why I'm going to use this one because of zinc. That's why I'm using this reducing agent also, sir. Another name. Zinc, we are going to be called another name reducing agent. I'm going to represent Ra, reducing agent. See, because of copper, Cu2 plus, zinc oxidation occurs. That's why I'm going to be called this is oxidizing agent. Another name, sir. So OA. Understood? Any notebook? Are you understood this point? Because of zinc only Cu2 plus convert into Cu. So reduction takes place. Because of zinc reduction takes place. That's why zinc is we call reducing agent. Because of Cu2 plus zinc oxidation takes place. That's why oxidizing agent. These two are opposite terms. Reduction, oxidizing agent. These two are opposite terms. Please keep in mind. Zinc oxidation and reducing agent. These are opposite terms. Yeah, I'm going to give one more example. Don't worry. Okay. But here you can find very simple. Please again think one more time. Array zinc is oxidation occur because of whom, that is? Who is the responsibility? Zinc is oxidation takes place because of whom? Cu2 plus. Alright. Okay, I will take one more example. Please find. Hmm. Find oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Find oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Magnesium loses electrons. That's why called this is oxidation. Understood? Zinc gain of electrons. What we call this is reduction. Hmm. Because of magnesium, Zn2 plus gaining of electron takes place. Is it correct? Because of magnesium, Zn2 plus gain electrons. So what we call that is because of magnesium, zinc gain of electron takes place. So this is magnesium we called reducing agent. Because of magnesium, zinc reduction takes place. That's why magnesium is reducing agent. Because of Zn2 plus, magnesium oxidation occur. Because of Zn2 plus, magnesium oxidation takes place. That's why zinc Zn2 plus we called here oxidizing agent. Understood? Hmm. So this oxidation reduction. Now I need difference between oxidation and reduction, sir. According to whatever you know your definitions, 10th standard, please write oxidation reduction. Oxidation reduction. So oxidation means, can I write loss of electrons? Loss of electrons is oxidation. Gain of electrons is reduction. Next, addition of oxygen. Is it correct? Addition of oxygen is oxidation. Removal of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Other than this, one more point. This is the last point. It may need for you people, some people, some information. You may get that is periodic table or after 1 or 2 chapters. Understood? Fine. Addition of more electronegative element. Like, for example, fluorine, oxygen. If you're adding these elements, it will gain electrons. Okay. If you're adding this means they can gain electrons means opposite automatically they can lose electrons. This to understand last point you need little bit more information. This you will get after third chapter or second chapter completed. At the time again I won't come back. We can't discuss this point. Right now note it down. Okay. I'm going to be explain this point with another example, but note down when you understood, that's fine. Maybe some people you can understand right now, may not be, but you can understand later. Because at the time whenever you're discussing again, I won't come back, I won't give this point. Here opposite. Addition of electropositive element. Electropositive element. And I will try to explain with examples. These are the differences between oxidation and reduction. If these occur simultaneously called redox reaction. Just make it definition only because I need to calculate some other concept. For that purpose, I will introduction these things. I think so you noted down. We'll discuss with example. These are. Yes, yes. Oxidation number is increasing also oxidation. Correct. All these are correct only. One more example, sir. I'm going to go. I'm going next slide. Need to complete this one. Can I go next slide? Thank you. See, you can apply here magnesium plus oxygen. How many definitions we can explain, sir? How many definitions we can apply for this one? Oxidation reduction. This is how many you can apply? Please, can you try? I given 3 to 4 sentences. Previous slide. Oxidation reduction. Can you apply fourth point? How many definitions we can apply for this one? First point, which is oxidation reduction. Find oxidation reduction. Then which definitions you can apply? Out of any definition satisfied, that is okay, oxidation reduction. The definition numbers I given, which definition you can apply, you can try. Right. First, second, fourth, fine. So just think about the definition this equation is syncing or not each other. See, this is magnesium loss of electrons. Magnesium zero oxidation state, is it correct? Because there is not combined with anyone. Oxygen also zero oxidation state. Magnesium 0 to plus 2. I think so magnesium oxidation state plus 2. So this we call oxidation. Oxygen 0 to minus 2. So this we call reduction. Understood? Now see, we can close with respect to oxygen. Addition of electropositive element we call reduction. Is it correct or wrong? Definition I given. If you are adding Mg to oxygen, that we call reduction. If you are adding electropositive element means we can lose electrons easily. That's we call electropositive element. Electropositive element meaning the element which can lose electrons easily is called electropositive element. So if I'm adding magnesium to oxygen, that's we call reduction. So definition 4, sir. Point 4 you can explain, that is. Point 4 I am trying to explain. Same way, addition of electronegative element to the opposite one we called oxidation. I'm adding oxygen to magnesium. When I'm adding oxygen to magnesium, magnesium loses electrons. So that is we called oxidation. So this fourth point we can explain by this equation, sir. Addition of electropositive element. For example, here first A group elements and second A group elements means sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, all these things. These are first A, second A group elements. Understood? If you're adding electrons to anyone, that's we called reduction. If you're adding electronegative elements to any other one, that's we called oxidation. Try to find this definition. If not getting also doesn't matter, can get later. At least one or two examples you can finish is fine. But my intensity, if you apply definition, that's very good. Okay. Which is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, sir? Which is oxidizing agent here and reducing agent? Magnesium or oxygen, what we call oxidizing agent? Anyone? Oxidizing agent? Magnesium is reducing agent. Very good. Yes. Oxygen is oxidizing agent. Correct. So which is reduction? That's you can write, sir, oxidizing agent only. Which is oxidation opposite terms, reducing agent. That's enough. Okay, fine. Up to this, just simply can note down. Next siding, oxidation number. Oxidation number means if given element, how many electron they lost or they can gain. Why they are losing and gaining electrons, sir? Only one reason. In the whole universe or in our whole chemistry we are studying only because of loss of electrons, gain of electrons, or sharing of electrons. 3 points is there. Loss of electron or gain of electrons or sharing of electrons. Why these are occur? To get stability. To get stability. I think so. You know, some of the people already I given this is suppose oxygen. I am writing 2 minus are here. Why 2 minus I wrote? Nitrogen 3 minus, F minus 1. Why I didn't write all the same charge? I'm writing different charges. That reason already you know, you people, but I'm remind you. That's only. According to your 10th standard knowledge, already you have some knowledge, sir, which is oxygen electrons you are writing 2 6. Is it correct? Anything wrong here? And nitrogen you are writing 2 5. Is it correct? For fluorine, I think so. 2 7. Is it correct everything? According to your 10th standard, you will answer all these things. Hey, you are not responding. Yes, correct. To get octet rule. Very good, sir. That's only. Octet means 8 electrons. We should be get here 8 electrons, sir. To get 8 electrons, how many requires are here? 2. So gaining of electrons we called negative charge, sir. That's why O2 minus I am writing. They require 2 electrons because already 6 is there. If they gain 2 electrons, they will get total 8 electrons. That is stable. Same thing here. 5 is there. To get 8, how many electrons they require, sir? 3. So N plus 3 electrons. You can get here N3 minus. So 8 electrons. Already 5 plus 3. Here also same thing. F plus 1 electron we will get F minus. Understood? Any doubt here? Why we are writing 2 minus 3 minus for different element? Different means their need is like that. They need only 2 electrons, 1 electrons, 5 electrons. Array our target to get 8 electrons. Okay. If how many less than 8, that many they can take. That's simple logic. Balamurugan SP. What's your doubt, sir? You only given all the answers, but why you didn't understand? Our target is 8 electron. That is be called octet rule. If they have 8 electrons, that is stable. Okay, you said answer fine. I think so. You got that meaning why we are getting 2 minus 3 minus like different numbers. Huh? Fine. So here oxidation number means whatever charge is there on this ion, that's we called oxidation number. What's the oxygen contain here? Oxidation number 2 minus 2. Here how much? Minus 3. Here how much? Minus 1. So same thing I am going to be applied to calculate in the compounds also. Means for example H2SO4 is there. How much oxidation number of sulfur? P2O5 is there. How much oxidation number of phosphorus? KMnO4. What is the oxidation number of Mn? Like this. So to calculate all these things, we have some rules. Like suppose you are going to be play any mobile games, new game, we have some rules or not, sir? To play every game, they have some rules. Like that, to calculate oxidation number, we have some rules. That rules we are going to learn today. That rules we are going to be applied tomorrow. Because time is not there that much. So we'll try to finish our rules. First, we can note down all the rules. If possible, you can read and come. That is, tomorrow you can apply. This is very easy concept. All NEET student they done very well. Okay. Then same thing we are discussing for you also. Right, sir. Right. Right. Oxidation number. Oxidation number. Definitions. Oxidation. Don't compare which you are learning with other institute notes and books, everything, sir. Once you learn all these things, you can do any level of questions from any other institute books, even our anything that is, doesn't matter. So first thing is learning of basics is more important. That's why we are trying to learn different methods, okay, and easiest method. Don't think, sir, not given all points, but here notebook or material they given every point. That is different, okay. This is different, but we understood every concept. You can study everything later. Okay, write your definition, please. Oxidation number refers to, or I am writing ON, sir. Oxidation number symbol ON I am writing. Oxidation number refers to the average charge possessed possessed. Things I'm giving spelling. You can write possessed by the atom by the atoms of same kind in a compound or ion. This is the definition. Yeah, mostly octet which is you are getting octet is mostly stable though, sir. Mostly, but not 100%. Okay. Okay. My average spelling is wrong. Fine. Please, you can write properly. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Just I am testing your English knowledge. Okay. How many people are writing correct or not? That's why I'm writing spelling mistakes. Huh? So you are writing correct or not? I'm testing. Just fun. Right. Can you read this point? How many people understood? To calculate oxidation number, we have some rules like which you are playing mobile games, different games every day. Like every game, they have some rules. Like here also, we have some rules. Okay, that rules I'm going to write. Right. Rules for the calculation of oxidation number. Right. Rules for the calculation of oxidation number. Oxidation number. Right. One by one, we have almost 8 rules, but have less time. If you cooperate, we can complete this one. Because next class we can do more number of examples. Please note down rule 1. I am dictating. Please note down, concentrate everyone. Okay, don't sleep. And if you are doing some other work, then which I am writing on slide, you are copying means I can't do anything for you. Please note down. The oxidation number of an element, the oxidation number of an element in its elemental state is 0. Anyone didn't write? Can I repeat one more time or no need? Fine. The oxidation number of an element in its elemental state is 0. Elemental state is 0. I am trying to explain this point, sir. Please note down that explanation also. Elemental state meaning combined with any other one. For example, Cl2. This is not combined with anyone. Cl only is the bond. And N2 also not combined with any other element. Itself they are combining like N triple bond and these things. These bonds you can do later. O2, P4, S8, even sodium, magnesium, zinc, etc. Is it combined with anyone or individual? These are all these are individual. So in this case, oxidation number equal to 0, sir. This is that meaning of statement. So which is they are free. They are not combining with any other. Those we called. In that cases, oxidation number is 0. This is S8, sir. You can write S8 like this. Sulfur, 8 atoms together they are combining. Phosphorus, 4 atoms present. Completed. Shall we move next point? Array, which is their free state elements. They are not combined with other means they can't lose electron, they can't gain electron. So 0. Array, here oxidation number nothing but how many electron they lost, how many electron they gain. That is we have to calculate. If same element means they can't lose, both are same persons, they can't lose electron, they can't gain electrons. So 0. If they are combined with different atoms, then chance is that they may can lose electron, they can gain electrons. If they are losing electrons, that is positive number. They are gaining electron, that is negative number. That is we are going to be calculate. To calculate that number, we have some rules. That's we are writing here. No, when they combine with same atom, same element, same type of elements, we can see here oxygen atom, nitrogen, chlorine atom combined with chlorine only, that is 0. Nitrogen atom combined with same atom, that is 0. These are same energy, sir. Suppose you have in the movie, double action is there, both are same. Your favorite hero, you can take easy or Ajit, okay? Who done double action? Both are we call hero only, na? That is. Both are same. There is no difference here. Double action. Like here Cl, both are identical. Cl they can't take electrons, even the Cl they can't take electrons. That's why equal strength, so 0. They can't lose electron, they can't gain electrons. I'm giving next point also. For example here H2O. Suppose oxygen is more positive, hydrogen lose electrons, that's why hydrogen will get positive charge, oxygen will get negative charge. So whenever different atoms they are combining, some atoms can lose electrons, some atoms can gain electrons. How many they gain, how many they lost, that's we are going to be calculate. Understood? Please try to find, very simple all these things. Next point, right sir. The oxidation number of an element, the oxidation number of an element in a single, the oxidation number of an element in a single ion, in a single ion is the charge on the ion. Oxidation number of an element in a single ion is the charge on the ion. Ion is the charge on the ion. Understood? Meaning here Cl minus whatever number, that is the oxidation number here. -1 is the oxidation number of chlorine. Oxygen, this is single ion, sir. There is no too many atoms here, only one atom. But charge is there means ion. This is oxide. How much charge here? -2. This is the oxidation number. And N3 minus, how much is there here? 3 minus. Whenever they are single element, single equal to the oxidation number. Understood? Any doubt here? Whatever charge that is equal to oxidation number when that single ion is there. Single means only one atom. That's the meaning. Try to understand sentence. Very easy, all these things. No need to by head. I given examples here. Na? That is second point. I given example. Single ion. Single means one atom. I read that sentence. You are English medium students only. Na? I wrote sentence. We can't understand that meaning of sentence. Try to find. I explained once or twice. Why still you are not getting that meaning? Huh? Please find. Right. Next point. Now onwards, easy. Already I given previous also. So all these points are easy, sir, for you people. Right. A group elements. First A group are alkali metals. Alright, given homework for you people. You have to learn complete periodic table. Complete periodic table. Learn group 1, group 2 like that. So for tomorrow, S block elements is the homework. Alkali metals means like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, like this. All these elements always it can show +1 oxidation state or +1. Second A group elements are alkaline earth metal. Earth metals like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, etc. It can show +2. Is it completed? Already I given first class or first or second class crisscross method. I given list of all the elements oxidation numbers, positive, negative. Anyone can give explanation why they are showing +1 here first A group elements? Anyone? Anyone can give explanation why they are showing first A group elements +1? Yes, they need to get octet configuration. If they lose, yes, noble gas configuration. Very good, sir. Already have idea. Very good. For example, sodium, you know very well. Na is 281. If 8 is stable, to get stability, how many electron they have to lose, sir? Only 1 electron. Na plus 1 electron. That's why you are getting only Na plus 1 because already they reach 8. Target is 8 electrons. To get outermost shell, 8 electrons. If 8 is there, that is stable. Okay. How many electrons excess is there? Only 1. That's why they can lose 1 electron. To get stability. Understood? Fine. Most of the people have idea. Very good. That is. Can I go next slide? Right, sir. Here. Fluorine. This is the whole periodic table. Highest electronegative element. It can gain electrons always. It never show plus oxidation state. It is the whole villain. You can assume that one. It can gain electrons from any one person. Doesn't matter. If once fluorine enter in the any compound, they have to lose electrons. There is no option. Okay. You may can compare with your hero also, sir. Once this enter, everyone they have to lose electrons. So this always -1. This is fixed. Oxidation state. Now oxygen. It can show -2. Generally -2, sir. This is generally -2. It name we called oxide. Already you know this one. It can to show -1, sir. Keep in mind I am giving the structure. This is we called peroxide. Already that time also I given, which is oxygen oxygen bond is there. That we called peroxide. Oxygen -1, O2 -1. This is we called superoxide. So oxygen is the second negative element in the periodic table. Second villain or second hero, you can assume that one, oxygen. E means electrons. Please find E means electrons. Wherever I am writing symbol means E means electrons. Next, oxygen can show plus oxidation state also, sir. O2 this is +1 oxygen. OF2, oxygen is +2. So these are the regarding all our oxygen. One more also is there, which is oxygen can show 0 oxygen state, sir. O2, what is oxygen state here? 0, because this is not combined with any other one. Already given first point. First point itself, that is, sir. If completed, we can move next slide. You can ask any doubt, sir. No issue, that is. That's your right. You can ask. Fine. These are rules like to play next tomorrow class we are going to play. I think our class is completed. Okay, fine. Tomorrow also we'll discuss some rules. Then you can continue. Practice all on the rough paper. And we need first A group elements short learn. First A, second S block elements. Please note down. Okay, please remember and come. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Fine. Thank you very much, everyone. Now you can take break, sir. Explanation I will give. You won't get any other books explanations. Once we are solving problems, everyone will get how to apply. Just rules only, na all these things. Everything will get all explanations. Next also will discuss same thing. You will get everything. Okay, you don't worry. This is my own methodology. You can't get same order in other book. They teach following methods. So we can't expect that one. Maybe other teachers they can teach easy method or method, but my method is this is. When we are getting seekers book, I don't know. Already I told you that you people, you make and request them. If which is they are giving is not sufficient, you make and send me WhatsApp SMS. I make and send some material. Okay, not material. I have some other book. I will give that one. But when you are sending name, school name, and stream, sir, first stream. Your JE or NEET, I don't know. That's I need. Because JE book not means NEET book no help for. So help for you. Any other slide if you need, you can ask. We can give that one. Any explanation? Okay, fine. Thank you very much, everyone.